Your AI feature just went live. Somewhere out there, a real user just got a confidently wrong answer back. They screenshot it, they post it. Your inbox is on fire and you have one question. Why did this happen? You open the code. The pipeline ran clean. No exceptions, no errors, everything looks fine. Except the model is a black box. And inside that box, you cannot see a thing. This is the exact problem AI observability solves. Think of it like X-ray vision for your app. For traditional software, we have Datadog and New Relic. They tell you when a server is slow or an endpoint is down. But AI does not fail loudly. It fails quietly in language. A user query does not just hit the model. It travels through a vector database, through a prompt template, through one or maybe several agent steps, then to the LLM, then back to the user. Observability platforms light up that entire journey. They call it tracing. Every span, every input, every output captured. So when the answer is wrong, you do not guess. You scrub the timeline backward and you see exactly which step lied to you. When picking a platform, 4 features matter. First, tracing. Every step's input and output captured in a timeline you can replay. Second, cost and latency. Tokens are money. Seconds are user trust. You need a live counter on both, broken down by user, by endpoint, by model. Third, evaluation integration. The platform should run your judge prompts automatically against production traffic, not just in your CI. Fourth, a prompt playground. When you spot a bad answer, you should be able to drop the exact production input into an editor, tweak the prompt, and rerun it on the spot. No deploy required. The landscape is crowded, but 4 names matter. LangSmith, deepest if your stack is LangChain. Langfuse, open source, hosted or self-host, the developer favorite. Braintrust and Phoenix sit closer to the PM side, opinionated about evals and fast at managing golden datasets. Place them on one axis, developer focused on the left, PM focused on the right, and you can see roughly where your team should land. Here is what the day-to-day looks like. You watch the dashboard. A red dot appears, a low judge score on a live answer. You click it. The trace opens, you see the bad retrieval. You drop the input into the playground, rewrite the prompt, and the score turns green. Then the move that separates real teams from prototypes, you take that failed interaction and add it to your golden dataset. Forever. Next deploy automatically tests against it. Same mistake, never twice. To recap, do not fly blind. Trace every step. Watch every dollar. Run evals on live traffic. And grow your golden dataset every time you catch a fail. Next episode, the AI Evals FAQ. Every question you have been afraid to ask. See you there.